Okay, 9's multiplication. Be careful. Exponent. Okay, so let's do a few without the exponential setup to help us, okay? So the answer to the logarithm, wait for it. The answer to the logarithm is the exponent. Oh, thank you. So what exponent makes 3 become 27? Good job. What exponent makes 2 become 32? Good job. Because 2 times itself 5 times is 32. What exponent makes 10 become 1,000? Good. You guys know the tens trick? You can count the zeros, right? Okay, good. We're doing all right? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're just going to practice rewriting in the different forms. This is easy. You can do this. Okay, so our log form, log base A of C equals B, is equivalent to A to the power of B equals C. Notice the answer to the log is the exponent. Oh man, it's almost like I'm trying to drill that in your brain, huh? Okay, there's nothing to solve on these. I just want you to practice rewriting them. So this one would be 7 cubed equals 343. 3 cubed equals 27. Okay, let's jump to number 4. The 1/2 is the exponent, right? Does anybody remember what, you got to dig back into last year's math brain, Sec 2. Does anybody remember what a 1/2 exponent can also be written as? What is the exponent of 1/2 the same as? 0.5 is a decimal, that's true. No. No. Nope. Okay. X to the 1/2 is the same as something else. A fractional exponent is the same as something. What? Not a square. Square root. You guys, does that jog your memory? X to the 1/3 is the same as the cube root of X. Yeah, this is something you guys did in Sec 2. X to the 2/3 is the same as the cube root of X squared. Fraction exponents to radicals. You with me? Familiar? So the reason I bring that up is because I want it to make sense to you that on this one over here, number 4, when I do 81 to the 1/2 equals 9, that should make sense because what's the square root of 81? 9. And a 1/2 exponent is a square root. Let's jump over here to understand the same thing. Number 6 on the other column. If I were going to rewrite this as a logarithm, it'd be log base 8 of 2 equals 1/3. And the reason that hopefully makes sense is because a 1/3 exponent is a cube root. Okay? Are we doing all right? Here's what I want you to do. Well, let's do one more. Let's do a negative exponent one. Let's look at this one. How do I make something that's a whole number change to a fraction? How do I move things from the top of a fraction to the bottom of a fraction with exponents? Negative exponents. Okay? So 5 to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over 5 cubed, or 1 over 125. Here's what I want you to do as I walk around and answer questions. I want you to finish both of these columns with your neighbors, but as you do it, I want you to make sure that you, it makes sense why the exponent answer is what it is. Does that make sense what I want you to do? Okay, good. I'll walk around and help. Finish those tables.